हेलो फ्रेंड्स, तो आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे और देखेंगे जो ऐश्वर्य वर्मा यूपीएससी टॉपर हैं उनकी एसे की कॉपी में। जैसे कि हम सब जानते हैं कि जो भी सिलेक्टेड कैंडिडेट रहते हैं वो अपने मेन एग्ज़ाम से पहले बहुत सारे मॉक टेस्ट भी देते हैं। तो उसी में हम देखेंगे कि जो उनका मेंस का एग्ज़ाम था उससे पहले उनका जो एसे का मॉक टेस्ट था जो कि उन्होंने एक इंस्टीट्यूट में दिया था, उसके हम मॉक टेस्ट की कॉपी को यहाँ पे देखेंगे और देखेंगे, आप लोगों को बताएंगे कि वो किस तरीके से ऐसे को राइट करते हैं। तो जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं कि इनको मिले हैं 60+44 मार्क्स। जैसा कि हम सब जानते हैं कि ऐसे भी 250 मार्क्स का होता है। ओके, मार्क्स आप एज इट डिवाइड कर सकते हैं 250 को टू पार्ट में, क्योंकि दो ऐसे लिखने होते हैं, लगभग 1500 वर्ड में एक ऐसे। तो देखते हैं, बढ़ते हैं। जैसे कि यहाँ पे जो क्योटेशन दी हुई है वो है कि नथिंग इज अब्सोल्यूट, सब्जेक्टिविटी अप्लाइज एवरीवेयर। ओके, तो ये ऐसे है कि नथिंग इज अब्सोल्यूट, कुछ भी अब्सोल्यूट नहीं होता है, सब्जेक्टिविटी अप्लाइज एवरीवेयर। तो उन्होंने लिखा कि मिस्टर राव, अ रिनाउंड प्रोफेसर ऑफ फिलोसफी, वॉज invited as a guest to deliver a lecture. At the end, he asked the student to write up on their interpretation of lecture. To his summarize, every write-up was unique in itself. Why this happened, despite the lecture attended by all, it was a subjective preparation of each student that brought the difference. In this essay, we are going to see what is this subjectivity and is there anything absolute, whether this subjectivity is beneficial or not, and further how it can be guided towards benefit of mankind. देख सकते हैं कुछ इन्होंने ऐसा इंट्रोडक्शन में अपना एक लिखा और बताया कि वो आगे इस टॉपिक पे ऐसे लिखने जाएंगे और वो क्या बताएंगे। इन्होंने एग्जाम्पल को पुट करके ऐसे की स्टार्टिंग की है। तो देखते हैं। Human beings has the gift of thinking which makes them different and unique from other living beings. The ability to question the things around allow them to build up perception which might differ from other persons. This is subjectivity. There are various instances where this subjectivity has shaped the path of human history. During the Dark Age, the perception of church was thought to be absolute. However, a critical view paved the way from Renaissance, which completely altered the face of modern history. So, for almost 400 years, the laws of physics by Isaac Newton were thought to be universal till Albert Einstein proved it confined to a limited frame of reference. देख सकते हैं इन्होंने कितने मस्त, मतलब अच्छे अच्छे एग्जाम्पल्स को पुट किया है। The emergence of various sects in different religions such as Catholics and Protestants in Christianity, Shia and Sunni in Islam, emergence of Zionism, Buddhism, all were outcome of subjective perception towards God. देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे जो कॉपी को इवेल्युएट कर रहा है उसने इस वाले पार्ट को एक्सलेंट गुड बताया है। Various paradigms of economics and geography were earlier confined to create general laws based on an assumption of an economic rationale. And following examples bring us to take our question. Is there anything absolute? There is hardly anything which is totally absolute, because everything we see around us passes through a percentage of filter of person which is unique to everyone. This brings us to our next question, whether this subjectivity is beneficial for us. To answer this, we need to look at how this perspective filter is built. It is a result of upbringing of a person and knowledge and experience that he has gathered either through socialization or personal experience. This is reflected in various societies housing different ideologies. Recent cases of discrimination या decriminalization of section 377 of IPC introduced Sabrimala for women, upholding of right to privacy and various amendments to the laws and constitution are some classical example of how our society is evolving by interpreting the various subjective views which were earlier discarded. So the foundation of lawmaking processes in our country is based on the deliberation of various thought, which invites various diverse views which are deliberated to bring a law which aims to be subject beneficial for all. These are for the amendment from time to time to include more views. The social welfare scheme inclusion are always advised to follow a bottom to top approach rather than top to down. The reason stated is that views of public at the grassroots level is better way to structure the supply of compost law. Concept of sustainable development in an outcome of various.
तो पहला ऐसे तो और फिर इन्होंने दूसरा ऐसे लिखा है लाइफ हैपन्स टू ऑल ओनली फ्यू मेक इट हैपन। ऐसा ये क्यूटेशन है कि लाइफ हैपन्स सबको ज़िंदगी मिलती है पर कुछ ही इस ज़िंदगी को ज़िंदगी बना के जी पाते हैं। तो इन्होंने इसके ऊपर एक ऐसे लिखा है। तो वंस अ टीचर ऑफ क्लास 8 आस्क स्टूडेंट अबाउट दियर रोल मॉडल एंड पीपल हु हैव इन्फ्लुएंस्ड देम। Among the various responses, many were either common or either associated with personal life of the student. Why was this list short and name common? Okay, all living beings have life, but it is the power of thinking that make human beings unique. But as it is said, with great power come with great responsibilities. The human life is not just about survival like other animals. It's more than that. It is about to growing inclusively so that everyone has chance to what a dignified life. Okay. The inclusiveness not only include human but also other organism and environment around and with the power to influence environment, and it become the responsibility of human to also go for their protection. Unfortunately, only few are able to fulfill this responsibility as it requires a great order of dedication, hard work, as well as passion towards others. पर्सनालिटी स्पेसिफिक कुछ दिया गया है। तो नेल्सन मंडेला suggests to fight for the blacks in Africa in order to give them the right that they are entitled as human. Mother Teresa worked throughout her life to serve the leprosy patent who were obstinate by the society. B. R. Ambedkar stood for the right of Dalit who had to face discrimination in every sphere of their life. These people were successful in respective domains, yet they sacrificed that for others. Sundarlal Bhogwana in Uttarakhand with his tree production drive, Chipko movement emphasizing on need to protect tree. Kailash Satyarthi, a Nobel laureate, worked relentlessly for children against child labor. Sachin Tendulkar through his game instilled a feeling of pride among Indians. देख सकते हैं उन्होंने कितने अच्छे अच्छे एग्जाम्पल्स दिए हैं कि लाइफ कैसे बनाया है इन लोगों ने। These are some personalities that have contributed to the society immensely, but the question arises that are they the only ones who has make their life happens? Before we answer this question, let us understand the actual mean. To answer this question lies in the responsibility towards others, those who can contribute towards these in any way that can benefit the society. Okay, role model ideals. Children in many cases were chosen ones. There is nothing extraordinary that is required to make life happening. It is just about following the right path and encouraging others to do same. Personality discussed also did the same thing. It is just the scale at which that happened made them to partners. However, there are questions arise as it is necessary to make life happen. The answer lies in the ultimate goal that a man wants to achieve. Ultimate satisfaction that is obtained by serving the community is unparalleled. The reason that many are unable to contribute even such a basic thing lies in the value system that is deteriorating in the present time. Basic traits required to help other are empathy and compassion towards them. तो दूसरों की हेल्प करने के लिए जो मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट वैल्यूज हैं वो एम्पैथी एंड कंपैशन. These are generally found to be subdued under the race to earn money to fulfill the temporary hedonistic requirement. There need to be self introspection done by a person to remind himself of what matters more in life. In fact, this should be a part of education system. Gandhiji has always emphasis on duty of a person towards community. According to his conception of Swaraj, if every perform his duty in a right way, then there will be no state required to regulate society. This is what is needed to make life happen. तो देख सकते हैं कि जो जिन्होंने काफ़ी को इवेलुएट किया उन्होंने यहाँ पे दिए हैं इनको 50 मार्क्स ना. तो वेरी गुड कंटेंट कंटिन्यूटी विल मेंटेन एंड ऑल ओवर इन्होंने अच्छा ऐसे बताया. और भी कुछ लिखा है मोटिवेटेड अपॉर्चुनिटी थिंकिंग प्रोसेस स्टार्टिंग सब लिखा है. तो आप देख सकते हैं, आप स्टॉप करके आप भी पढ़ सकते हैं.